huge.
Oh, snail?
Very big.
Okay. With the shadow on it there?
Yeah. And my country's small. Here, huge.
Huge, huh?
Last time I didn't realize this is right by his house.
I see. Now, you know what it is, isn't it? If you come again, you know the place?
Yeah, when I come on the taxi, I recognize his house. I know where it's at. So next time I can come here, you don't have to pick me up.
Okay. Let's be prepared.